What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today we are headed out to a it's kind of like a Cars and Coffees, but Frank's from Duke's Michelada hit me up and told me that they're going to be out there, so we're going to head out there as well. It's me and my buddy Mark, so he's riding with me again today. Where we're headed, man, this morning. It is 7:34. It's an early one, boys and girls, and so we're gonna go check it out, see what it's about. But it's all the way on the other side of town, so we're gonna be it'll be taking us a little bit to get there. So sit back, relax, and we'll see you when we get there. We are almost there. We got like 4 minutes. So I don't remember if I told y'all it's at a detail garage location. I think that's what it's called, detail garage.
Continue on Gulf Freeway for 1 mile.
Supposed to start at 8 o'clock. I told Frank we probably wouldn't be there till about 8:15 or so. So we're a little bit early, but people should already be there. Oh, there we are. Here it is, right here. All right.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
Let's check it out, see what they got going on.
Your destination is on the right.
Some of the footage I've already dropped, but my boy Frank from Duke's Michelada showed up. What's up? And yeah, man, so he's here, and thank you to him for letting me know about this, because it's pretty cool. And then my boy Six Gear, that we ain't seen in ages, he showed up too. What up, Six Gear? Yeah. So yeah, man, he showed up on his R3, looking nice and clean. Hell yeah. So there you go, man. Like I said, man, if y'all on this side of town and you ever need some detailing products, y'all come check them out over here. And they got a lot of stuff inside. But I don't know what else we're gonna do. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then if we continue, I'll jump back on with you. See you in a little bit. right, kinfolk, that's it, man. We are out. So I appreciate y'all joining us. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.